Good morning, students. My name is Asha, and today we will do the second chapter of our reader book of Standard 1, that is Kitty the Naughty Cat. So, first of all, we will read the chapter loudly. So, let's begin. This is Mala. Mala is in the room. That is Kitty. Kitty is under the table. Mala has a cake. The cake is on the table. Mala is not in the room. Kitty is not under the table. Kitty is on the table. Yum, yum. Kitty eats the cake. So as you can see in the first picture, there is a girl. And what's her name? Her name is Mala. She is inside a room. And you can see there is a cat under the table. What is the name of the cat? Yes, the name of the cat is Kitty. And what Mala is having in her hands? Mala is having a cake in her hand. And where she has kept it? She has kept the cake on the table. Now you can see in the second picture that Mala is not in the room. Can you find Mala? No, Mala is not there. And where is Kitty? Kitty is on the table, eating the cake, enjoying the cake. So now we will move towards our question answer. What is the first question? Where is Mala? So look at the picture and tell me, where is Mala? Yes, Mala is in the room. Second question, where is the cake? Can you see? Where is the cake? Yes, the cake is on the table. C number, who eats the cake? Can you see? Yes, Kitty eats the cake. D number, do you like to eat cake? Yes, I like to eat cake. As you can see, the question answers are written. You can find the answers and you can write in your copy also. Now, the second question says, color the given picture of the cake and write your name on it. So, what you have to do, you have to color it and you have to write your name. So, in this way, we have completed our second chapter. Next time, I will come with chapter number 3. Till then, what you have to do? You have to revise the lessons and learn them which are being taught by your teachers. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.